Hey everyone! If you have a massive spreadsheet full of data and you're struggling to make sense of it, you need pivot tables. They allow you to summarize thousands of rows in just a few clicks without writing a single formula. In 2026, Google Sheets has made this process even smarter. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to build your first pivot table on desktop. Let's get to it. Step 1. Select your data. First, open your Google Sheet. Click anywhere inside your dataset. Pro tip, press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac to quickly highlight the entire table. Make sure your data has clear headers at the top of every column, like date, region, or sales, as the pivot table uses these to organize everything. Step 2. Create the pivot table. With your data highlighted, go to the top menu and click Insert, then select Pivot Table. A pop-up box will appear asking where you want to put it. Select New Sheet to keep your workspace clean, then click Create. You'll now see a blank grid on a new tab and the Pivot Table Editor panel on the right side of your screen. Step 3. Define your rows and columns. Now, let's build the structure in the Editor panel. Rows, click Add next to Rows and select the category you want to break down, for example, Salesperson or Product. This creates a unique list of these items down the left side. Columns, optional. If you want to compare data across another category, click Add next to Columns and select something like Month or Region. This spreads that data across the top. Step 4. Add your values. The last step is telling the table what to calculate. In the editor, click Add next to Values. Select a numerical column, like Revenue or Units Sold. By default, it will sum the numbers, but you can change the Summarize By dropdown to Average or Count depending on what you need. Your table will update instantly. And there you have it, complex data turned into a clear summary in seconds. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.